I'm not even joking. I love Roma. Look at that mountain. Ready for the squeeze? Are you guys ready for that squeeze? What's the texture? It's so soft and it smells so good in here. Isn't that yummy? I fucking love this pool. This is probably one of the best overloads I've done. Holy shit, like this is it. This is it. This is one of my favorite overloads ever. This smells so good in here. I think it's because of the Mr. Clean powder that I used. And the Tide. I don't know, but it smells so fucking good in here. My mouth is drooling. I'm drooling and I'm trying not to drool. It smells so good. And the aroma. This is the best overload I've done. And I'm proud of it. Oh my God. The Mr. Clean Overload takes the spot. It's taking the #1 spot right now. It literally smells like a citrus pool with like lemons and limes and like, I don't know, it just smells so good. You know what I mean? Like it smells delicious. Are you still back on for a save and a rinse? Maybe. I might, yeah. I can come back for the save. Yeah, I can do a save and a rinse. Because then people get mad at me because then I'm live for like a long time. And then they get mad and they're going to be like, girl, you're still alive? But it's not that. It's just people request that people want to see. You know what I mean? So I try to make everyone happy. I try my best to keep everyone happy and satisfied. Can we add more? No, my love, I'm sold out. Girl. I don't have nothing to add, my love. Everything is gone. All my laundry boxes, my laundry bags, my laundry liquids, all my cans, everything's gone. I'm sorry. And because I'm selling out constantly, I keep buying more products just because I keep selling out. So the more I sell out, the more product that I buy. You know what I mean? Okay. Ooh. This smells amazing. Where's Venus? Don't tell me she missed all her... Oh my God, no. I don't like when people miss out. I don't like that. That doesn't make me happy because I want them to enjoy what they send for. Ooh, it's making crystals already. I can feel the crystals. That's amazing. That was fast. That is so cool. My pool is making crystal, guys. It's making baby crystals already. Ask about the cough. Stash cough. No!